Hi, my name is Kristen Schlicht, and welcome to my presentation on communication with different generations. With baby boomers working well into their 60s before retiring, it's common to have up to 4 different generations working side by side in the same workspace. So you may be thinking, what's the big deal? Well, the big deal is there's been a lot of changes over the time. These are just some of the major technological advances during the lives of baby boomers and those that followed. People of the same age share a unique location and time because of their exposure to the same world events, pop culture and music trends, and behavior norms that prevailed at the time that they grew up. This makes communication easier between people of similar ages. Another obstacle is how different generations actually communicate. Baby boomers prefer to meet face to face or talk on the phone, while generations Y and Z also use their phones to communicate, but now their phones are high tech computers that they use to send either a quick text or communicate through social media platforms. So you may be thinking at this point, these generations are just way too different to communicate effectively. In all 3 resources I used for this presentation, the number one solution is team building. During meetings, have small breakout sessions to get to know each other. Give people questions like, what was the first concert you attended? Or, where would you like to go on your next vacation? Questions like these bring people together through shared experiences. Another solution is to share leadership responsibilities. Have different people take the lead on different projects based on the client's needs, the needs of the project, or the strength of the team member. The last is to be intentional. One team building meeting a year is not going to have everyone on the same page. This needs to be a regular process to keep individuals communicating, building their relationships, building trust, finding the respect, and finding the value that each generation represents. Our textbook, Essentials of Business Communication, outline a 6-step guide to conflict resolution. Number 1, listen to ensure that you understand the problem. Number 2, understand the other person's position. Number 3, show concern for your relationship with the other person. Number 4, look for areas of mutual agreement and compromise. Number 5, invent new problem-solving options if the ones available do not fit the solution. And number 6, to reach a fair agreement, choose the best option for everyone concerned. So in closing, just remember that each generation is unique and brings a unique set of skills and communication style. Get to know your team and their individual strengths. The more the merrier. A team is able to supply a greater pool of knowledge when it is comprised of knowledgeable people and varied experiences. These solutions were just a tip of the iceberg in developing communication with multiple generations. What other strategies have worked for you?